dear.
What's the time, Dave?
Time we weren't here.
Now, what is the time?
Oh, I don't know. Let's have a look. A lot later than it was 4 hours ago. It's 3:33.
3:33 in the morning.
Been up all night.
We've been up all night. We didn't bother putting the tents up tonight. We just put the chairs out and leant against the planes. Woke up cold. We've been for a bit of a wander. Made ourselves a brew and made a fire. Yeah, pretty mad. We're just waiting for the weather to get up and then we're away. We're heading for Corunna.
Yeah.
See you later.